English shadowing practice. Every morning I start my day with a cup of hot coffee while watching the sunrise from my balcony. The calm air and gently light help me feel relaxed and ready for the day ahead. After finishing my coffee, I get dressed and prepare for work. The streets are usually quiet in the early hours, and I enjoy walking to the office while listening to music or a podcast. At work, I focus on completing my task efficiently and try to help my coworkers. I believe teamwork is essential for success and a positive work environment. During lunch, I like to take a short walk outside to refresh my mind. In the afternoon, I continue working on projects and attend a few meetings. When the day ends, I head home and spend some time cooking dinner. I prefer homemade meals because they are healthier and more satisfactory. In the evening, I read a book or watch a movie to unwind. Before going to bed, I take a moment to reflect on the day and plan for tomorrow. I try to sleep early so I can feel energized and focused the next morning. A good routine keeps me balanced. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel